Welcome to this video. This is video 2 of the series of how to become a coach and launch your online course. If you haven't watched the last video, I took you through the wealth codes and also the first step in the wealth code 1 in awareness. So make sure if you haven't watched that yet that you go and watch that first video. I'll quickly summarize here for you so that you've got a quick refresher. And then we're going to move on to creating your online course using the wealth codes. So if you haven't been introduced to me before, my name is Kerry Dutton. I am a wealth coach to female entrepreneurs. I've won international business awards for my work in creating a beautiful network of women and also helping clients and women to create businesses that create impact. I have my own online courses and I've worked with clients one-to-one and in group settings to truly help them create a business from their passion. And this is why I absolutely love this work. And I'm so excited to share with you my wealth codes so that you too can create a business from your passion. Now, quickly, my story, why I have created this method is because when I first started my business, I just got busy creating a business. And it was only after about 2 years when I realized that the business I created was not the business I loved. And I've been through quite a few different stages in my business. So the first stage, I created a business that was a networking business and then realized I was burning out and I didn't really have a clear offer to sell. I was running half-day events and workshops, but they were very low end. And I was attracting a big network to me, but none of them were my ideal client because I didn't have the clarity in exactly what I wanted to coach. And it was only at one of my half-day events that I had one of the women come up to me and ask me how I could coach them, like, what's my coaching package? And it's only then that I realized that I was a coach and that I needed to get busy creating my coaching package because I was acting like a coach, but I didn't actually have an offer to sell anyone into coaching package. I was offering workshops in vision boards and how to unpack your business strategy and money mindset. So just know that sometimes you'll have someone come up to you and ask you what you can help them with and what is your coaching package. So I want to empower you in this lesson to know that anyone can be a coach. In the last lesson, I went through how you can become aware of what your passion is, what your expertise is, and also what your human design profile and what the recurring story in your life is, giving you a bit of an insight into what you really should be doing in your business. So now that you have that clarity, that awareness of what truly lights you up, now we can get busy to start aligning you with your passion. And it is these important steps to get clarity before we even get into the branding and the call strategy. We really need to go through this and make sure that you are creating this business from true alignment. So in the last video, I walked you through the 3 circles. So the first one is your professional qualifications and experience. The next is things that you love to do that light you up, that time just stops for. And lastly is like who you are within, what you love to do, what's the repeating cycle. I gave an example that I tend to always be in a leadership role in whatever I do. I'll put my hand up to be, lead a group, or put my hand up in a course, or go up first. I just like that challenge. I love starting things new and paving the way for others, right? And then I also have got my human design done and realize that I am a generator and that I have a very strong leadership center. So that just makes sense. So if you haven't done the work to get your human design profile done, definitely do that. The link in this description will connect you with beautiful Amber, and she'll be able to really help get you clear on your human design. Now that you know that, now we can move into alignment. And this is a very important step because as a female entrepreneur, it is so, so important that you can truly align your business with your energy because we're going to be creating from a space of like divine download. Um, I have done this recently, and you can absolutely create your business in a few hours if you are in that energetic space of clarity, of passion, the actual information of what you really feel inspired to do will come to you really quickly. And it's in alignment, in that true grounding that you'll receive the guidance, right? So, alignment is really important, and we're going to work through how you can do that. So I do talk a lot about how you can get more clear in what you want to create in your life and get truly soul aligned by creating a vision board. And I do have videos on vision boards. So if you haven't done a vision board, this is a very important process to truly understand like where you want to go in your life, what your life looks like, how you want to experience life, what do you want to be known for, and start embodying the energy of what that looks like because we want to create from that space. We want to create from a space of knowing that this business makes sense to get you there. You don't need to know all the steps, but you certainly need to have that alignment, knowing where you want to go, right? What do you want to experience in life? How do you want to feel? Alignment is all about how you want to feel. Now, I have filmed other videos talking through how to create your vision board, and I'll just quickly summarize that I created a vision board to manifest my soulmate, and that came into my life. I've created vision boards for my most compatible soul client, and I got really clear on there exactly who I wanted to bring into my business. She's spiritually connected, she's coachable, she enjoys being worthy. She's willing to invest in herself. You know, all of these elements. She respects boundaries. She loves, you know, embodying her work. And she has basically this essence in her. She's done the work to come into my life. And so you really want to get clear on that alignment so that this course and all the wording and the copy comes from a very clear space of alignment. You want to be super clear in the level of client you want to attract, the program you want to create. And this is so, so key because if we don't do this work, you will be attracting and speaking at a level that won't attract your ideal client. So from alignment, so this is really an important part because we want to take you from, now this is the energetic work that needs to happen. So take you from that skeptic and scarcity mindset to money prosperity. And so we really need to tap into the power of energy here and connect with your intuition and really align so that you can create from a heart-led space. From alignment, we're moving away from your head and into your heart. And this is where I create courses from. So in alignment, you are going to be awakened. You are going to be feeling like you're creating a course from your soul path. You are going to start unpacking like what is your biggest cause in life that you want to stand for. And I'll share mine quickly with you so that you can see what's possible. So you really want to sort of sit back and think, what do I want to create? For me, I want to impact 1,000 women around the globe to ascend their conscious wealth, to basically change generational wealth in their family. I want to make such a big impact that one day I can look back and think, oh my gosh, what a journey. And I visualize this every day. And now I'm working with collaborative partners around the globe and creating ambassadors as part of my bigger movement. So, and that's coming from my heart-led soul alignment. My business and my coaching sits under that bigger picture. It's elements that add the fuel to the fire. Okay, so what is your big mission? And two, what is the amount of money you want to bring into your life? Now, money is just an energy exchange. So when you start creating super alignment, like if I know I've got a big mission like this, I need to elevate my money container, my ability to charge more, my ability, because I charge more because I give transformation, right? And that my courses I'm creating from a space of transformation, not information. So, what is your container? What is your bigger mission? What is your soul path? And it's when you get into this deeper inner knowing that you can truly create a juicy course and something that everyone absolutely loves. This is what's going to make you unique. This is going to be something where you are now the unicorn of your industry. And I absolutely think that the future, if you really want to make a difference, it is about thinking differently, looking at your industry and thinking, what's wrong? Where's the gap? Maybe what have I paid for in mentorship in the past and found that it didn't quite fit? For me, I've always felt that in my many years of, engaging mentors, I've always found that the accountability wasn't there. And this is something I bring into my programs, is that whole true sense of accountability, that yes, there's tactics and there's strategy, and that's great. Also, I bring in the mindset, because I can see that tactics and strategy are useless unless you have the mindset to believe in yourself, to apply that to the right level. And then the energetic work, the mindset are so important. And then obviously we're human beings with emotions, and we get through struggles and we feel like things aren't working and we need to be held and led through a different path. And that is the accountability. That is setting yourself goals, having someone to back you up, having someone to lead you through what is right for you. So really think about what you can do in your industry to create something that is not there, that is not present for people. And it's from that area that you'll create a transformational program, because you are filling a need. And when you fill a need and you solve a problem, you get compensated for it. So I hope this has really inspired you to think differently about alignment before you just jump in and create a course and create your coaching package. I'd love to hear your comments, love to hear what you've discovered for yourself. And I would love to also let you know that obviously there are 5 steps in the wealth codes. This is step 2. And I so look forward to sharing the next step with you. Once you have done this work and integrated it and got a bit clear, then make sure you do like and subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So you'll have the links up here. I so look forward to this. I look forward to seeing you unpack your journey.